Everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video I'm going to show you how to point a block wall. So what you're going to need is a striker, pointer, whatever you want to call it. I call it an S-iron. You can use other stuff. You can use a sled runner. I just prefer to use this. You're also going to need a trowel, get some mud on it in case you got some holes to fill. Okay, the first thing I'm going to talk about is for S-iron, you only want to use the back part. If you use the front part, you're gonna leave ripples in it and it's gonna peel it out. It's just gonna look like hell. You gotta use the back, okay? It leaves a smooth, slick finish. Another thing, when you're starting this, you always want to do the heads first, right? The biggest thing is no holes. So like here, you can also, instead of having the trowel, you can just use it off the wall if you're good enough, right? And now's the part where you need to use your trowel. So when you do this, can you see me good? Yeah. Okay, so I think about it like riding a dirt bike, okay? Vroom, vroom, vroom. So that's how you flick it onto there and you get it to stick like that, right? You ride a dirt bike, get it on there. Then you just slip the mud. I don't know what happened, the camera keeps shutting off, so hopefully you got all that. I don't know. Just keep talking about it. So all the head joints, ride the dirt bike, make sure there's no holes in there. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay. Another one. A lot of times you're lucky enough like that. There's no holes anyway. If there's slight holes, I'll just fill them in too. But most of the time I don't really have to put too much mud in there. It's just this was a piece, so mud didn't stick too good to the head joint. Okay, next step you want to do is just run the bed joints. It's pretty freaking easy. That's it. Try to keep a clean slicker, that's why I do that. You just gotta clean the footer off once you're done. So here's my corner, right? If you notice, it fell out from what I was doing. Every corner you do, you wanna always go in to the corner. You never wanna pull out because you'll push the mud out, it'll leave a hole there, push it out. So you always pull it in, right? You gotta do it this way. You push it in. Push it in, push it in, push it in, push it in, push it in. Alright, and that's it for this part. Next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just brush all the boogers off. So there's like crumbs on the wall from that. So then you just brush it off. Okay, now it's opposite. All right, now you're gonna do your beds, right? Beds, then your heads, okay? Because what that creates is these umbrella heads, like right here. I don't know if you can see them very well, but they're like umbrellas, is what I call them, right here. So you don't want those. So all I do is get rid of those. As long as there's no umbrellas, you're good to go. And that's how you double strike them. And that's pretty much it for that. I'm not gonna have you watch me do the whole thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. So if you got any questions about this, leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer it. And thanks for watching.